Assalamu alaikum. In class 4, inshallah, we will learn about haza, hazehi, zalika, tilka, and some more. So before we start, we need to know that nouns in Arabic, they are in different states. Like if we see single dhamma or double dhamma, it's known as marfu, or we call rafa. Okay, and if we see them with single fatah or double fatah, it's known as mansub, or we call nasab. And then if we see with single kasra or double kasra tanween, we call it majroor or jar. So we call them marfu with dhamma. If a noun has ending with dhamma, we call it marfu. If a noun has ending with fatah or tanween, like fatah, double fatah, so we call it mansub or nasab. And if a noun has ending with kasra, we call it majroor. For example, if we say kitabun, kitabun or al kitabu, both way it will be marfu. If we say kitaba, kitaban or al kitaba, okay, it will be mansub, nasab, this one state. Or if this sign goes down, al kitabi, or we put double kasra tanween, so then it will be majroor. Again, this situation, this state will be rafa, this will be nasab or mansub, this will be majroor or jar. Okay, now we come to the point of our class. It's haza ismul isharati. So we say this, haza, this, anything which is closer. Ismul isharati lil qarib. Qarib means closer. Haza khubzun. Now we see that here it is rafa, marfu, we read. There is khubzun dhamma. Mubtada is most of the time it's marfu. And if khabar is one word, this is it's again marfu. So hadha kitabun, this is a book. If we say hazal kitabu, we say this is the book. Hazal, we read, we can use al. Hazal kitabu, we'll make it definite. Okay, but definite we studied, when we make it definite, we remove the tanween and put only single. Then it will be this is the book. Haza talibun. Haza talibun. This is a student. This is a student. Hada talibun. If we say that is this a student, just we put a and question mark. Ahada talibun. Is this a student? So next one, haza babun. Again, mubtada and khabar. Mubtada haza. Haza this. Babun a house. Haza babun. This is a door. So haza kalamun. This is a pen. If we want to make a question, just we put a and question mark. Ahaza kalmun, or sometime you would see hal. Hal. Hal haza kalmun. That this is for question 2. This is whether you put a or you put hal. Hal haza. Hal haza kalamun. Hal haza kalamun. Is this a pen? No difference. So haza we use for masculine. And next one, hazihi. Hazihi. Mubtada. This is your mubtada. Kariyatun. Again it's marfu. Again I say when we see dhamma, any noun has dhamma ending, it's marfu. Okay, if it has fatha single or double fatha, it is nasab. If it has down there kasra, single kasra or double, so it is majroor. Marfu, mansub and majroor. So inshallah. Now hazihi kariyatun. This is a village. Hazihi. Hazihi for feminine. Hazihi madinatun. Hazihi again for feminine. This is a city. This is a city. Madinatun. Hazihi bakaratun. This is a cow. Hazihi namalatun. This is an ant. Hazihi shakkatun. This is an apartment. So again we see ta marbuta. There in Arabic there are two type of ta. One is like this one, which is regular one, and the other one is like this. It's known as ta marbuta. So this is sign for mostly for feminine. Anything is like feminine, so we use this ta in ending. Like we find here, here, here. So here is our practice. Dukanun, dukanun, haza, dukanun. So it's marfu because of dhamma we see, and we use haza. Haza saljun. Here we see ta marbuta. So we say hazihi. Hazihi sayaratun. Hazihi sayaratun. Now these all mountain, maktabatun, library. Hazihi hakibatun. So this is our practice understanding with haza and hazihi. Next one is zalika and tilka. Zalika we use again same as we use haza, but haza we use for something which is closer, and zalika mean actually that something is far. Okay, zalika sarirun. Zalika sarirun. That is a bed. Zalika matbakhun. Matbakhun. That is a kitchen. Same is here too. If you want to make question, just put a, or you can put hal. Azalika sarirun. Is that a bed? Zalika baytun. Now we see baytun, double dhamma. It's marfu. And mubtada always is marfu. Like mubtada khabar. To make sentence in Arabic, we need mubtada and khabar. So, zalika qalamun. Zalika qalamun. This is a pen. Now we come to tilka. Tilka, it will work as hazihi. Tilka will work as hazihi. But hazihi for this and tilka for that. So again, hazihi, it's for feminine, for closer. This. And tilka, again for feminine, for something far away. So, tilka sallajatun. That is a fridge. If we want to make question, again we put a or hal. Hal tilka sallajatun or atilka sallajatun. Is that a fridge? Tilka miratun, like mirror. Tilka ghurfatun. That is a room. Tilka kahwatun. That is coffee. So here are some more words for practice. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.